ensuring a financially secure retirement for our pensioners is at the core of what we do. And to highlight this, on September 12th, we'll be having Pensioners Day. It will be in 19 locations nationwide. And we really want to recognize the valuable contributions our pensioners make to this organization during their working years. So we expect about 3,800 pensioners to participate in these activities. So during that day, we intend to announce many programs, but let me highlight, we're going to maybe relaunch the Pensioners Loan Program. So pensioners can borrow up to 200,000 pesos against their pensions for their immediate needs. And also the survivors, these are the widow or widower spouses of pensioners, can also borrow 200,000 against their pension for their needs. Aside from that, we're trying to make membership in SSS very beneficial, and we're trying to tie up with many partners. One of them is Unilab. So Unilab, as you know, is a very large pharmaceutical company, and we're going to launch an Alagang SSS program with them. So members 60 years old and above will be able to avail of special pricing for Unilab products. So those are two of the highlights for Pensioners Day. So with that, Press.